And the race is on. Bangge from the outside. Green Street rising up. Don Martino. Beautiful Miss. Shades of Red on the outside. Moonraker down on the inside. Speed Admiral. Green Street by a length and a half, followed by Beautiful Miss. Don Martino. Moonraker running in fourth by Admiral. Bangge, fifth position. 6 belongs to Shades of Red. 7 Speed Admiral. Entry number 1 is Rising Star. And rounding the far turn, Green Street, Beautiful Miss, Don Martino. Moonraker moving up by Admiral. Bangge, Speed Admiral in between runners, Shades of Red. As they race the last 500, Beautiful Miss, Don Martino is racing on the outside. Moonraker, Green Street, Shades of Red racing in fifth. As they race the final corner, Don Martino is now the leader. Beautiful Miss moving up on the outside. Shades of Red, Moonraker, Green Street, Speed Admiral, Rising Star, Bangge. Entering the finish line, Don Martino. Shades of Red is on the outside. Don Martino, Shades of Red in second. And finally, Don Martino, Shades of Red, Speed Admiral, Moonraker, Beautiful Miss, and for your Super 6, number 4, New Golden City.